Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Now I gotta show you, they've been holding my package hostage. I don't know if you can see all that, but I'm at FedEx. And the package is the greatest package in the world. Alright? I got the Outback. That's really awesome. That's the charge controller for the solar panels. Now I can play like the big boys. That's like a four-wheel drive truck right there. so it's pretty cool. Now I gotta hook it up. That means I gotta hook up the batteries and everything. So we get on with some more solar videos here in the near future. And by the time you see this video, hopefully you've watched the other one that's going off at 5 o'clock and you like it and you start doing some social marketing and start bringing more people to your YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to do one on Facebook. I think I might be enough information that I could put out maybe 10 videos on that alone. I might come up with one that's going to cover the whole spectrum, and then a few others to get down to the nitty-gritty of each different little tidbit, so you don't get cut from the channel. I've lost a lot of Wesley. I lost a lot of Facebook accounts because of my advertising. They're strict, they got rules, they got a lot of things, but I can help you get through all that, and so you can get on with your business and bring more people to your channel safely without losing your account. All right, I'm out of here, but it's the Outback for the solar panels, and have a nice sunny evening.